Hi. If you have a lot on your mind or a lot to do, you may be running from thing to thing to thing, or maybe struggling about what to do next. That's the time to stop, to take some breaths, and to focus on just that one thing, because our breath is with us wherever we go. So take a moment, put a hand on your heart, maybe one on your belly. Stop and breathe as we sing this song to you. Sit down, be silent, breathe softly, slowly, gently, breathe in, breathe out, and focus on one thing.
Try that with us.
Sit down, be silent, breathe softly, slowly, gently, breathe in, breathe out, and focus on one thing.
Now if you're feeling crazy or wild, if you're overwhelmed with your homework or stressed about a test,
If you're feeling scared or nervous, you can find a way to do your best. Sit down, be silent, breathe softly, slowly, gently, breathe in, breathe out, and focus on one thing.
now if your work is hard or annoying, confusing or complicated, or even difficult for you,
If you find it hard to pay attention, here's a new suggestion that you can use. Sit down, be silent, breathe softly, slowly, gently.
try it with us.
Breathe in, breathe out, and focus on one thing.
Let's take 3 deep breaths together.